Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney teases Fortnite returning to iOS in 2023. Ever heard of this game Fortnite, Will?
Never heard of it.
Legal battle is continuing. We talked about alternate app stores, the EU. Talk about the EU because they were like, you got to have the charger. And they're like, what about alternate app stores? And Apple's like, what are you talking about? Stop messing with us. We got a good thing going on. We're running the shopping mall. They're paying us the rent. We're cleaning the bathrooms.
Business.
Yeah. Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney teased that return in 2023, nearly 3 years after the game was removed from the... It's been
3 years,
It's been 3 years. For violating platform rules, marking the start of a contentious and high-profile legal battle. In a tweet to celebrate the new year, Sweeney said, next year on iOS, followed by an image of a Fortnite character looking up at fireworks that spell out 2023. Apple is reportedly planning to allow side loading in alternative app stores with iOS 17 next year in order to comply with the newly passed DMA law in Europe. Under the law and its implementations, Epic Games could, in theory, bring Fortnite back to iOS, just not through the App Store. Well, they don't care if it's through the App Store. That's what Epic wants. So Epic is loving what's going on in Europe, and probably Tim is taking this as a win. I would think. I would suggest that this is what Tim wanted all along. I'm not talking about Cook. I'm talking Sweeney.
Yeah.
Wow. Crazy that it was 3 years ago. Goes to show you how long the whole Fortnite thing's been going on, because it's been off the App Store for 3 years. So how long was it on before it went off? The Fortnite thing's been going on. This is kind of huge, actually. This whole side loading story. It's kind of a big deal. It'll start in Europe. It'll probably go elsewhere, and then it's going to completely change how you interact. It has the potential to completely change how you interact with apps and your iPhone.
And cheaper, I guess.
You said it.
Yeah.
It's a possibility.
I said it.
Competition. Tesla prepares launch of a cheaper. By the way, just real quick, some will argue the consequence being possible security issues. I'm just putting that out. That's what they want. That's what they want. They say we're running the mall, we pay the security, we clean the bathrooms. Now you're going and side loading? Oh, you're going to side load.